I literally just walked over this, and I was like, man, that sounds like it's got iron in it.
Oh, there was no iron sound for that.
Mother.
Ow, my ding ding.
I freaking did it. I totally freaking did it. I'm so stoked. All the people I brought out here to go digging, I've never been able to get a real period. Look at the hole. I was a good 10 inches down. Oh yeah, I could just barely make out the pillows on it. Alright, I cleaned her up.
You and me had a lot of chemistry, but there's too many dreams alive inside of me. So I'd sure like to see you come along.
1906.
Baby, we belong. Let me get on my soul. Down a chat
Whole pinpointer, and I'm on a rim.
and my dreams are true. Baby, you come.
Hello, all you diggers out there on YouTube. I'm just letting you know the video you're about to watch has been edited to save the Hoover Boys upcoming episode. I cut out a lot of the finds that Kurt and the Hoover Boys found, just so that I don't spoil anything for you fans out there. I do, however, have a lot of film footage that Kurt never recorded. So as soon as he posts his video, I'll be posting mine right behind it so that you can see my side of all that awesome excitement. And let me tell you, it's freaking epic. Like, it's super, super epic. So stay tuned. I'm trying to get a video out every Tuesday. It's been really hard, working 2 full-time jobs, having kids. But I should have enough content now to where I can do that and maybe throw a little bonus video out during the week. So make sure you hit that like button, definitely subscribe, and enjoy the video. Hey guys, today is Sunday, March 19th. We got a big old property to do. I'm here with Jocelyn Elizabeth, relic recoverist, and John, and Kurt, Brad, and Bob from the Hoover Boys, and we're going to tear it up. Let's have some fun. Alright guys, so I just went through a ton of work to get this, and I have no idea what it even is. It's so wet out here. The rain's kind of made a trench here. You see it, the trench. And so I'm digging my hole, and it's just filling in with water. So I'm basically swimming. But check it out. I have no idea what it is. Maybe one of you can figure it out. Let's see here. Well, it's hollow. Maybe a flag holder? I don't know. Let me clean it up and I'll get you a better shot. Alright guys, I at least got the first find of the day. What it looks like to me is the top of a flagpole. It still has old wood in there. I mean, this thing's definitely 1800s all day. Just no clue what it is. It could be something freaking amazing. But until you guys comment and tell me, I'll never know. Actually, guys, what it's called is a horse hame, a mule hame, or an ox hame. And what it is the 2 balls on the very top that steer the animal for when they plow the fields. Here's a couple examples of horse hames that they turned into mirrors. And then there is an ox hame, which is the picture with the 2 just the 2 pieces. The horse and mule hames are the ones that are the mirrors. Kurt just said half of a spectacle buckle. Let's see it. Oh my God, that is pretty.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's 1600s relic right there, brother.
All day. Ah. I told you it'd be good here.
Old ground.
Boom. So it's real windy, and I'm sorry for that, guys. I said, hey, Kurt, there's a big tree in the middle of the field. There should be no reason for a tree to be there unless there was a house there. Well, we didn't see it on the map, but Kurt just found the 1500s spectacle buckle right there. And the tree, whoop, is right here. And I think I got bingo. Where did you go? It's right in here somewhere. I lost it now. Oh, there it is. You're seeing it for the first time with me. Right there. It's definitely round. Please don't be a button. Oh, it's a button. It's a button. Man, that rang up so good. I thought it was... Whoa, wait a minute. Hang on. No, it's definitely a button. Let me clean it up. Let me see if there's anything on it. I'll get right back to you. After further review of the play, it's not a button. It's definitely British. It's wiped, though. Like, I mean, it's wiped. There we go. Yeah, this is just some schmooze. That's not a shank mark. I thought it was a shank mark. Nope, just some schmooze. I'm gonna say it's a KG1 or a KG2. You know, judging by the thinness. Maybe when it dries up, we might be able to get something off of it in the wrap up. Hopefully. I'll let you know. As I was standing there filming, I hear John screaming across the field. And Bobby and Jocelyn run over to him, and he's all the way out there. So I'm going to get to him eventually. When I do, I'll make sure to let you guys see everything he found. He's very excited though, so it's probably a coin. Now, I was over here changing batteries in my machine, talking to the homeowner, and Bobby is yelling away, and now they're all over here. Let's see what this silly man has.
Oh, I saw something.
Well, it's half penny size, isn't it?
Nope. To the bust.
Good job, Bobby. I told you not going to get skunked today.
I'm just rubbing dirt off and back onto the coin.
Kurt's loving rubbing on that coin. I'll get back to you. Well, we couldn't identify it. It's farthing size. It's wiped. But just like Kurt said, where'd it go? They're coming out wiped, but they're still coming out. Good job, Bobby. This is absolutely fantastic. This is from the homeowner of the property. He's got 3 of these. Look at these points. Some of these are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, these are BC. A lot of these, the Jasper ones, and the, what's that, granite, or, yeah, granite. Fantastic. Hang on here. Alright, we're live digging this. John said he had a beautiful signal. We'll see. Good God, how deep was it? Alright, folks, we've found China. Is it in the plug? Let me get out the master's way. Or is it one of those disappearing ones?
Yeah.
It's probably still in the ground.
Yeah, it's not sounding good. Let me give it one more shot here.
I mean, you're down into the root layer, so.
You're such a yard person. What's wrong with you?
Get all up in there tight like. Whoop. Sounds small. These two are definitely yard hounds. They hate the field. They hate the field, but man, they'll dig a yard quick. As soon as I told her we can dig around the house, she was like, "Yeah!" Well, it's definitely making you work for it, whatever it is. Oh, I hear it. It sounds like iron.
I think that's his well.
Is it?
I don't know. Let me check. Oh, I got big iron.
Yeah, it's iron.
There we go.
What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? That's what it is. Looks like dog poop.
Yep.
It's alright. It was fun. Alright, everybody. It's been probably an hour since I found anything. We also stopped and ate lunch. Jocelyn and Brad are looking for a stream of arrowheads and bottles. Kurt, John, and Bobby are up by the house. I'm by my lonesome, of course. It's alright though, because I got on something round. I don't think it's a coin. It's way too small. But it could be a button, so let's check it out. Let's see here. Let's put it up here in the sun. No. I don't know what it is. I think it's just a washer. Just a washer. Bazinga. Man, those things sound so good. I think I'm going to call Bob NASCAR Bob from now on, because he's done made 6 laps around that damn tree in the same spot he's going to wear a track in. Get him, Bobby. Make those left turns.
Big comeback.
I guess the joke's on me, because as soon as I was making fun of Bobby, he screams he's got something pretty.
Oh, yeah. My second button over here. Hunted down spot.
This spot ain't near hunted out, buddy.
Well, you hunted it earlier, so I consider it hunted out.
Oh, that's a pretty tomback.
Yeah, I'm guessing it's a tomback.
Good. Stick your finger in there. Oop.
Yeah, we got shank. Oh, yeah, that's a pretty one.
Man, that is pretty. It's big, too.
Yeah, it is. Man, it's in really good shape.
Yeah, it's definitely big and erect.
Spun back, too.
Oh, yeah? Oh, it's going to clean up pretty.
Yes, it is.
Good job, Bobby.
Very nice. Boom.
Boom.
I got a little tiny flat button right over there on the other side of the tree.
Oh, did you where I peed? No, I want you to pop it.
Oh, you want
Here,
me to?
look. Look, I just dug this copper. I'm back at the tree. This is such a great place. Right where Bobby just found that tomback. Focus. You know, I don't get why you pay hundreds of dollars for a phone. There you go. All right.
All right, I get to pop it because I'm the only one who hasn't found a coin.
That's true.
Right?
You're good. Just make sure it's pretty.
Oh my god. It's beautiful.
Don't be a button.
I don't think it's fun.
It's nice and thin too.
I scratch at it.
Oh, I don't care.
I scratch real hard at it then.
Go ahead, dig at it with your glove-free hands. Brad's gonna have a fit.
You know me. I know. I could tell. I could see him eyeing up my hands too. He's like, she's not wearing the gloves I gave her.
All right.
All right. Mine.
It's definitely Colonial. So let me clean it up. Be right back. Okay, guys. So this one is totally wiped too. This field is just hard on coppers, but it's real thin. I'm gonna say it's a KG3. It's a little thicker than KG 1s and 2s, but it's not thick enough to be a large scent. Why won't this phone fit? There we go. If you guys can see something in it, let me know. Number 2 for the day. Hey guys, we switched fields. Thought it would be rude to stay at that field any longer because, you know, them boys, Kurt likes to hunt past dark, and I just thought it would be rude. So we tried this field out. Right here, it was freshly plowed and freshly manured, but it is way too wet. So I called the owner and I said, hey, how about that field across the street? Is it yours? He said, well, yeah. I said, how about it? He said, go on, do what you do. So the permission fairy strikes again. My first signal over here is dun dun dun. I thought it was a flatty, but it is not. It is a coin. We've got bingo. And it is green, and it's just... What's it, a Wheatie?
It's a Wheatie.
Damn Wheatie. Look how green that thing is. Look at that. That's like emerald.
My favorite color.
Man. Sorry for that crappy excitement. John's laughing at me. We'll find something better.
Yep.
So, I just got done digging my Wheatie. And Kurt throws his hands up in the air. Let's see what he's got. He's all the way over there. I'll get back to you when I make the hike. I literally just walked over this and I was like, man, that sounds like it's got iron in it.
Oh, there was no iron sound for that.
Mother... Ugh.
Ow, my ding ding.
You don't want to come over here. He doesn't want to come over here. He's gonna cry.
I gonna cry.
Oh, with excitement.
I don't know what it is. It's a Washington.
It better be a Washington.
It's a Washington.
Yeah, I don't see it. Brian.
Oh,
Good job, Bobby. Is this you, Bobby?
yeah, it's Bobby's.
So I got a date for you, buddy. 1942.
Oh.
Here, I'm gonna throw it to you clump so you can take it out.
Yeah, no food required.
Good job, brother. Thank you very much.
Ass. What I was just saying to him is I have some good properties lined up in the next couple weeks, and we should be doing something real special.
The guy today gave us cookies.
Eat your dinner.
Cookies.
You need my cookie?